What we're going to demonstrate to you now is a method for using a heat gun in order to soften the frame of a PVC window and remove a captured part. This is meant to be done by a contractor, not somebody who is inexperienced. You do have to be careful with these guns. They're available at home centers like Lowe's, but they get to be very hot, and they certainly could set something on fire if you're not careful about draperies and so forth. Part of the process is going to involve having a place to put the heat gun and place it once it gets warm, so that you can safely free up both hands and remove the captured part. You must be careful not to burn the PVC. It can't get too hot. You've got to heat it evenly and slowly until the point where it becomes flexible again. This process can take several minutes. Once the material is flexible, be careful not to tear it. Keep it warm as one part is removed and the second part is inserted. Once the piece is back in, carefully cool the plastic. There is memory to the frame extrusion, and generally speaking it will go back into shape by itself. Sometimes wearing a light pair of cotton gloves can be helpful. And as the profile cools, moving the captured part through the area that was softened can help for it to come back into a square condition.